How to retrieve responses from Google Forms. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily retrieve your response from the Google Forms. So first thing, simply head over to any of your browser and just search in for Google Forms. So once you search in for Google Forms, just click on this first link which will redirect you to this page. So from over here, just click on any of the random created templates if you already have one. And from over here, what you can do is simply click on this response, and as you can see it has got 0 response. So let me just choose another one. So let me just select the forms with the responses. As you can see, it has got responses, so simply click on it, and to retrieve your responses you simply have to click on this three dot icon here. You can just download the responses in the CSV format. You can also print it on the as a PDF from the printer, and you can also link it to the sheets, your Google Sheet, just like this, and you can do anything to download just like this as a zip file as well. So that is it for today guys. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.